Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be any BMW guys. If you replaced your car battery or the car battery was dead, you had to jumpstart your BMW and now your sunroof doesn't open or close automatically, doesn't open or close correctly, even if you have a panoramic roof or sunroof. We'll explain what causes that on BMW guys. Please make sure to stay until the end. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix pretty much anything. Transmissions, engine codes. Why we guys do that? Because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you guys need to buy any parts for your BMW, any car, any make, any model 2s at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So let's start on it now. So guys, if you have a BMW and if you had a weak battery, you replace the car battery, you may notice that your sunroof does not work correctly or panoramic roof, and you wonder guys, what can cause that? Now let's explain that now. Here guys, okay, your sunroof or panoramic roof will need to be reset. And how you guys do that? Okay, let's explain that now. Some models will differ. We're demonstrating on 3 Series BMW E61, but many cars will be that way too. So you push the key in, you do not hold the brake pedal now, no brake pedal. Press the start button, get the dash lights on. Make sure guys, you do not start the car. Now, when we do that reset, you're going to see lights pop on the dash, on the iDrive as well, warnings. That's fine, don't stop the procedure because it will not reset it. But what you guys need to do now, you see that button here, you need to push that button, okay, up, okay, and don't let go the whole time. The sunroof or panoramic roof will open. Keep holding it guys, it needs to open. It's going to close itself, it's going to open again, you will see the whole procedure, and we need to keep doing that. It will take quite a bit of time. Okay, watch now. That's, guys, okay, the shade here for panoramic roof. I'm still holding, right? It starts closing on its own. Perfect. If you hear some popping, cracking noises, stop, because that means something's wrong and you might break a rail, break your sunroof, panoramic roof. There might be something preventing it from working correctly. But okay, now it keeps closing. Now it's gonna open the other way, and we still keep holding. The whole procedure so far, it's at 49 seconds guys. Check this thing out, it still keep going. Now it's gonna close, right? Perfect. We're at 57, 58, 60 seconds. Now it's done. It's going to close the shade. Once it closes the shade, okay, we need to stop. Let's see now. That's 1 minute and 15 seconds. We are done. We can let go. Now, if I press that button, the shade should close, open on its own. Everything should work correctly. Let's check it out. Perfect. Amazing. Next. What else we need to do? Let's press the button up. Automatic. It opens. I click the button. Okay. Closes it. Now I go back. I click it one touch. It goes back. Let's see with one touch if it's going to close. Make sure your car battery is closed, is charged, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay. Okay, this one you have to. Okay, let's see if it's gonna do it now. Perfect. Close it guys. So you can see, okay, that's how you guys, okay, do it, and that's the shade there if you need to. But you need to reset, also initialize, also known as initialize procedure on BMW if you replace car battery and sunroof doesn't work correctly guys. So if you guys have a BMW, any BMW, you have a problem where a sunroof or a moonroof does not open or close correctly after battery replacement, that's what causes it guys. Now that procedure will need to be applied during multiple scenarios: battery replacement, weak battery, jump start sometimes, working on the sunroof system, replacing motor, sunroof, panoramic roof motor, all these things guys. But for any of you guys, Having a BMW, we have more than 3,000 free repair videos and more than 15,000 free repair videos total on our cars that will teach you guys how to fix pretty much almost anything. Check it out. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you.